What if every video you post has to get past one door before the world ever sees it? Not a regular door, a nightclub door. And standing there is Algorithm, the bouncer. He has the rope in one hand, the guest list in the other, and he is watching everything. He is not impressed just because you posted. He is not impressed just because you worked hard. He only cares about one thing: what people do when they walk inside. Now imagine your video is a nightclub. Before anyone comes inside, they see the sign outside. That sign is your thumbnail and title. If the sign looks boring, confusing, or promises something the club does not actually deliver, people keep walking. Then you have the directions to the club. That is your description, keywords, and video setup. It helps the right people find the right door. But the sign only gets people curious. The directions only bring them close. Once they step inside, the real test begins. When the doors open, the bouncer does not let everybody in at once. First, he lets in a smaller crowd. These are the first people YouTube shows your video to. Some may be subscribers, some may be returning viewers, some may be people who usually watch videos like yours. The bouncer watches them closely. Do they walk in and stay? Do they look around and leave? Do they react? Do they comment? Do they keep watching? If they leave too fast, the bouncer tightens the rope. But if they stay, react, and keep the room alive, he starts letting more people through the door. Now, every video does not enter the club the same way. A regular upload is like a normal club night. The doors open, the music starts, and people come in whenever they want. Some show up right away, some come later, some stay for the whole night, some leave after one song. A premiere is different. A premiere is like a scheduled release party. The posters go up early, people know what time to arrive, then the countdown hits 0, the doors open, and everyone watches together at the same time. During a premiere, the live chat is like the front row by the stage. That is where people are reacting, commenting, and making noise while the video plays. But a live stream is a full live show. You are not just playing the track, you are on stage in real time. People can talk to you while it is happening, and your energy can keep the club jumping. So whether it is a regular upload, a premiere, or a live stream, the bouncer is watching the room. Are people staying? Are they reacting? Are they interested enough to keep watching? When the room feels alive and popping, the rope opens wider. YouTube starts testing the video with more people. That is how a video can move from a small crowd to a bigger crowd. It is not magic. It is not just luck. The thumbnail gets them to the door. The video makes them stay. Algorithm, the bouncer, that dude is always watching both. Catch the trap before it catches your channel. If you want creator protection and YouTube policy simplified without the corporate fog, subscribe and stay close.